Welcome to 6th grade math. Today we're going to talk about applications of geometry, and we're looking at area of right triangles and other triangles. So earlier this week we focused on quadrilaterals, rectangles. Today we're going to focus on triangles. So how do we go from rectangles to triangles? Well, what's interesting is that the area of a quadrilateral is length times width, or base times width. In this example, 10 times 6 equals 60 inches squared. So I have the area of this rectangle as being 60 inches squared based on the horizontal measurement of the dimensions and the vertical measurement of the dimensions. In terms of a triangle, I'm looking for those horizontal and vertical dimensions as well. However, in a triangle specifically, a triangle takes up about half of the space that a rectangle would take up of with the same height and base. So when I look at this triangle, it's inscribed inside the rectangle. But if I double it, it fills up that whole rectangle. So really what I'm saying is two triangles will equal the same area of that rectangle. So if I take half of the area of the rectangle, I will get the area of the triangle. Triangles that don't necessarily have right angles are also they also agree with this rule, because all triangles will have an area of 1/2 the rectangle with the dimensions of the base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. So you can see that as I flip a triangle over and slide it across, I can actually reconfigure it into a rectangle. So I have this piece where I'm looking at a full quadrilateral with my original triangle, and I can remove kind of those outside pieces, and it shows that those pieces are also equal to that inner triangle. So again, going back, that original triangle will have 1/2 of the area of the rectangle with the same base and the same height. So the formula that we can use for the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Let's do a problem. If the lion habitat at the zoo is 12 yards in width and 8 yards in length, what is the area? Remember, we need to think about, in terms of a rectangle, the area would be 8 times 12. So what is 1/2 of that area? Area and perimeter of triangles are very straightforward. They're similar to the area of rectangles, except we're using 1/2 of that formula that we previously know. The perimeter is, again, the sum of all the sides. So for a triangle, it has a base, which is that bottom horizontal surface, and 2 additional sides. So we have to make sure that we're adding up all 3 sides to find the perimeter of a triangle.